Yeah, big boy. Oh yeah. It was kind of dark out there. The turtle there.
One picture goes.
Well, about to take a swim on. You know how we do. VIP shit. Guys dream of this. This is just my regular stuff. Tap in with your boy if you like experience this type of stuff. Yeah, if you like experience power. Tap in with your boy. I can turn you on to all the spots.
Okay,
Okay,
go
hold on
ahead.
here. Oh my gosh. Don't drop it, baby.
How
This is a taro ube mochi donut. Chow it.
Chow it.
This is pretty good.
I'll try it too.
Those like wait. It looks like it to me.
This is. I never tried. I heard of mochi donuts before. I tried
I
some.
love mochi donuts.
This is a whole different thing right there, you guys. Like, this is how the inside looks. It's awesome.
Now, come here. Come here, Patrick. What is that?
What?
That. Turn or it's lettuce, Bubba.
It's coming up where?
Is it? Wow! Wow!
I can touch it. Oh, go to lake.
Yes, guys. Vacation life. Bye bye. More up, babe.
Come up. Oh. Whoa! What the freaker? Whoa! Oh, I fucking slipped. I cannot. At least it was a soft slide.
Oh my God. I'm going to spray right here. I love this shit. How is it, babe?
It's nice. It's hard to get here.
Yeah, we had you guys seen kind of a miss to get there, but we gotta get there. Worth it. Let's take a dip, guys. Let's take a dip. Let's go to the waterfall. Hopefully this thing don't get flown off my head. Big Island! Stand up! Let's go, baby. This is Big Island's best right here.
Thousands of miles from me, I wanna see you again. Sooner than later, I'm missing your flavor. I just gotta taste it. Yeah, I still savor to be in your space. So please do me a favor and don't give my love away. Do me a favor and don't give my love away.
Me and the bros, the legend right here. Tom, country legend.
Cheese. Look at me, everybody.
Chatting on the phone, I sent flowers to your home. They got delivered with the letter that I wrote. Now I'm writing you the song, so you can hear it when I'm gone away from you. Even had me thinking of some children too. They said I could make you delusional. Need to get to know you.
I'll just wait for you to come back.
Need to get to know you. You more than beautiful. Got something special on the inside. Please give me some insight.